LMMS, or Linux Multimedia Studio, promises to be a game changer for music production enthusiasts. But can a free software really stack up against the heavyweights of the industry? Let's dive in and see if it really delivers on its claims. LMMS is designed for music producers looking for a comprehensive free solution. It allows users to create, edit, and produce music using a variety of tools and plugins. You can compose with a piano roll, use a beat bassline editor, and even synthesize sounds with built-in instruments. The interface is pretty user-friendly, especially for beginners, with a layout that feels intuitive after a little exploration. However, while it shines in many areas, there are some noticeable gaps. For instance, the learning curve can be steep for those unfamiliar with music production concepts. Some users might find the lack of a robust community for troubleshooting a bit frustrating. Also, while it supports VST plugins, the setup can be a bit tricky, which might deter newcomers. Overall, LMMS does offer a solid foundation for creating music, but some features might leave you wanting more clarity or support. On the plus side, LMMS is completely free, which is a massive draw for anyone on a budget. The variety of built-in instruments and effects is impressive, giving you plenty of creative options right out of the box. Additionally, it runs on multiple platforms, which adds to its accessibility. However, there are some downsides. The software can be resource-heavy, which might slow down older machines. Some users have reported bugs, particularly when working with larger projects. Plus, while the interface is generally user-friendly, it can feel cluttered at times, making it hard to find specific features quickly. Those looking for extensive support may find the community lacking compared to more established DAWs. If you're a serious producer, you might feel limited in some aspects. In conclusion, LMS is a fantastic option for beginners or casual music creators who want to experiment without spending a dime. However, if you're a more advanced user or looking for a professional-grade tool, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try if you're just starting out.